So in this video, we are going to learn how to create Movermate lead on Contact Form 7 submission. Let's say you have created an online form using Contact Form 7 and you have added this form on your website. Now you want that whenever you get a new lead using this Contact Form 7 submission, with the same details, you want to create the lead in Movermate as well. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. In this automation, as a new form submission will be received on our Contact Form 7 form, automatically with the same details, we are going to add this lead in our Movermate account. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is the form which I have created using Contact Form 7, and I have added this form on my website. Now I want that whenever I receive a new form submission, a new lead using this form with the customer's details, leads details, and the moving date and pickup and drop location, I want to add the same lead with the same details in my Movermate account as well. Now to do this, we have to connect this form, this Contact Form 7 form with Movermate. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform to do so. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Contact Form 7 to Movermate. You can basically give any name as per your choice. After naming a workflow, just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as we click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect the form which we have created using Contact Form 7 with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we receive a new form submission, a new lead using this form, automatically the details of that form response, that leads detail will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. After that, using the same Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same lead to Movermate and add that lead in our Movermate account as well. Let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger step, here in Choose App, we will search for Contact Form 7. Just select it. After selecting Contact Form 7, in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Form Submission. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we have to add this webhook URL in the form which we have created using Contact Form 7. Now here, to add this webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL and go to the form which we have created using Contact Form 7 and open the form in edit mode. After opening the form, just go to this webhook section, select this option of send to webhook and paste the exact same webhook URL over here. After pasting the webhook URL, just click on save and it is done. We have successfully connected this form with Pabbly Connect using this webhook URL. After adding the webhook URL, what we have to do, in our Pabbly Connect workflow, it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some response of a new form submission using Contact Form 7. So let's do it. We will just open the form which we have created using Contact Form 7 and we are going to enter the details of a dummy lead. Let's see, the name of the person is Demo Test. This is a dummy mobile number which we are entering, and then this is a dummy email address as well. The moving date is, for example, 25th 12/2024. This is the moving date. The pickup location is, for example, Delhi, and drop-off location is, for example, Mumbai. You can basically enter the detailed location as well. After entering these details, let's click on Submit. And as we click on Submit, here you can see instantly the form responses will be captured by Contact Form 7. Using Contact Form 7, we have received a new form submission, a new lead. And because we have connected this form with Pabbly Connect, we will see the details of the same lead, the same form responses will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And yes, here in our Pabbly Connect workflow in the trigger step, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the same data of the form responses. We have the same name over here, Demo Test. We have the same pickup location, same email address, same drop-off location, the moving date, and the phone number. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully connected our form which we have created using Contact Form 7 with Pabbly Connect. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send the details of the same lead to Movermate and add this lead over there. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, we will search for Movermate. Just select it. After selecting Movermate, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Removal Lead. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Movermate account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token from our Movermate account. So let's see how you can get this API token. For that, just go to your Movermate account. From the left sidebar, we will go to Settings. After coming to the Settings section, we will just scroll down and go to Integration. Under Integration, select Apps. And under Apps, you can see the API token for Pabbly Connect. Just copy the API token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the API token from your Movermate account, just click on Save. And as you click on Save here, you can see our Movermate account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the name over here. So we have received all the details like the first name, last name, email, phone number, date, pickup and drop location. All of these details from the contact form 7 lead form. Basically, we have received these responses, the form responses in the trigger step of our Pabbly Connect automation workflow. And here from the trigger step responses, one by one, we have to send all of these details and add them into this Movermate action step into their respective field. And to add the responses of trigger step in our action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of first name, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received of a new lead from contact form 7 in the trigger step. Out of all of these responses, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Follow the same process of mapping for the rest of the fields as well. Let's select and map the response of last name over here. In the field of email, just select and map the response of email address. Then let's map the mobile number over here. After mapping the mobile number, let's map the response of date. So let's select it over here. After date, it is asking us for the pickup. So from the drop down, select the pickup location and the drop off location as well. So in this way, we have entered all of these details of a new lead received from contact form 7 and mapped the data into the respective field. The last field is of source. So we are getting this lead from our website. So I will be entering the source as website over here. After mapping all of these details, entering all of these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the same details, the same form responses which we have received from contact form 7, using the same details, we have added this lead in Movermate. So let's check it. We will go to our Movermate account. From the left sidebar, we will go to the lead section. And yes, here you can see that just now with the same details, this lead is now created in our Movermate account. The name of the lead is the demo test over here. This is the email address and the same mobile number which we have entered while making the form submission in contact form 7. Also here you can see the same moving date over here and the cities as well, the location A and B over here, the pickup location and the drop off location. This means the automation workflow between contact form 7 and Movermate is working perfectly fine. Now, after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow in real time. For that, we'll go to the same lead form which we have created. And this time, I'm going to enter the details of a new user. The name of the person is dummy user over here. This is the email address. Then this is a dummy mobile number. And the moving date this time is, for example, 01012025. The location is, for example, Bhopal. And the drop-off location is, let's say, Delhi. Let's click on submit. So just now you can see that we have received another lead. Okay, so it is asking us for the email address. Let me just enter the email address. I made a mistake with the fields over here. This is the email address and this is the dummy mobile number over here. After entering these details, let's click on submit. And as we click on submit here, you can see we have received another form submission in contact form 7. This new lead is received on our website form, which we have created using contact form 7. And as this new lead is received over here, we will see instantly within seconds with the same details, the lead will be created in Movermate as well. We will go to Movermate over here, go to the leads page. And yes, here you can see dummy user instantly within seconds with the same details, this lead is added. You can see the same name, dummy user. You can see the same email address and mobile number. You can see the same moving date, 1st of January 2025, and the same pickup and drop-off address as well. Pickup from Bhopal and drop-off in Delhi. This means the automation workflow is working perfectly fine, and we have tested this automation in real time. It's not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.